What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk about AMC a little bit. Obviously, that's the main talking point right now, especially in the stock market world, AMC and GME. And you have a little bit of cost in there as well. So we want to focus on a lot of those positions. But right now, it's AMC. And I wanted to go through some articles. And the reason why I'm creating this video, I didn't want to create another video, but the reason why I'm creating this video is because doing the research for this article, doing the research for this stock, you run into a lot of articles that end up, just saying some absurd things, saying some ridiculous things. Like I seen, what was it, a couple of weeks ago, AMC's worth a penny. In what world is it worth a penny? Like this is crazy, the way that you're coming out with all of these articles trying to scare people out of these positions. So I wanted to just look at some of the titles of these articles, also go through some predictions, even though I did that in my last video, just go through what my predictions are and maybe some future value for this company. But before we get started, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also subscribe to my MP Shorts channel. That's a short video channel. I'm going to be creating a lot of short videos, 60 seconds or less, nothing more than that. And we're going to talk about stocks and talk about a lot of other things. So subscribe to that if you're interested in that. And if you want to join the Discord link, the Discord group, the link is in the description. So click that. It is $5, but it's a great group of people. So let's go ahead and get into this. So let's start with what AMC obviously looks like. So AMC, you've seen it did hit these high points of what, $25 or so, did jump up quite a bit from $2 mark. But before that, a lot of people want to say, oh, it was worth $2 before the pandemic, but everyone knows that it was worth a lot more. As you started to get into this, and yes, it was down to $2, but was up to $4, was up to $7, did fluctuate back and forth from like $3 or $4 up to $7, and then even was higher than that, way higher than that. And yes, it was pulling down, and we understand that it was pulling down just because of the fact that they weren't driving enough business. They just weren't doing things right business-wise. But I think they could definitely make a change with all of the popularity that they are getting. You've seen that they did have this jump from $1.91 or $2 up to $20, $25, right? That's a huge deal to see that jump up that high. And now you see it over the later days having that increase, that steady increase. Now people are just wondering, hey, what's going to happen with AMC? Are we going to see them long-term look really good? I think we're going to see them long-term look steady, probably between 15 and $20 as long as they make the right decisions, as long as they make the right moves. And that's my long-term prediction based on what the company can do after a squeeze, after something that they gain a ton of popularity from, a ton of capital from. I feel like they can do a lot with that money, like pay off debt, like do a lot of R&D, any type of research they can do on the industry, on how they can be a little bit better, mergers, things like that. It starts to create that interest from other companies to come on, right? So that's what I'm seeing with AMC long-term. Short-term, obviously, I'm holding until it gets to about $20 to where I am taking a little bit of profits. It looks like hedge funds are going to continue to fight this as much as they possibly can, whether it's by news or whether it's by just manipulating the hell out of the stock. They're going to fight this as much as possible. And seeing that fight, I'm going to take some profits at my original profit target. And then if it does drop down to $9 or so, I'm going to invest more money into it, mainly probably all of the profits that I gained. So then all of the original money is sitting there and I don't have to worry about losing that original money. I can get to break even at best, or I can lower that cost basis like crazy and put all of the money that I gained plus the initial investment into there just so it can grow, maybe at an exponential rate up to $20 again, or up to $50 or however much it's going to get to, right? So that's my short-term plan, but let's look at some of these articles here. So yeah, let's look into this article here. We're just going to look at the conclusion of this. Should you invest $1,000 into AMC? This is the Motley Fool, and they're saying that they're not one of the best, the 10 best stocks right now, and that you can put money elsewhere. And that it will grow a lot. There are a lot of other positions that are great stocks. This is more of a position to where it has a lot of potential. It has a lot of fight from the hedge funds. I understand. You can sit here and say, "Oh, next person, don't put $1,000 in here. We don't want you to buy into this because we have a lot of hedge funds that are on our backs here." That's what's crazy. And just looking at that conclusion, it's ridiculous saying that they are going to start their rebound here. We look at AMC Entertainment stock supply will overwhelm demand, saying that with a huge wave of new shares, we're not going to have people that look to buy into it. We also have could AMC, GameStop, or Sundial shares fall to zero? Basically implying that, oh, well, they're not valuable, they're not worth anything. It's absolutely crazy to look at this type of stuff and say, oh, well, you know what? We're just burning away dollars here. Look at this. This is the type of marketing or type of, information they put out there for AMC and GME and, all of these heavily shorted stocks just because they have backing. They have some sort of, push by these hedge funds, by billionaires, by people that actually shorted the position. It's crazy to say that they have an article out here that talks about whether it could go to zero. Can it go to zero? Is it going to go to zero? Are you just burning your money away? Are you literally taking $1,000 and throwing it on flames? No, they're taking $1,000 and they're putting it in, I don't know, the cloning machine, and they're cloning $1,000 because that's what's going to happen. We're going to double in that stock price. We're going to double in the amount of money that we have. In so many cases, you could see that GME has done it over and over and over again. It's just a matter of time until AMC does the same thing. So that's my opinion. I just wanted to quickly go through some of these articles. I mean, there's a lot more articles that are out there that are just ridiculous. But I just wanted to talk about this. So let me know what you think about this. Do you like the fact that they're throwing out all this negative news? They're negative Nancy's? Are they going to try and drive the stock price down, continue to drive it down as much as possible, not only on the factor of manipulation, but also news and financial websites? Let me know what you think, but make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. But this is absolutely crazy in my opinion. I just want to see it thrive, obviously, because I'm holding it. But I also want to see it thrive because I know that hedge funds are doing something that's not illegal, but should be illegal. So make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out my MP Shorts channel. It'll be in the description. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to put it in the cards. I feel like I don't put anything in the cards anymore, but definitely check out the link in the description. And if you want to join the Discord group, the link will be in the description as well. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.